Rajarajeshwara Temple. The Rajarajeshwara Temple is a Shiva temple located in Taliparamba in Kannur district of Kerala, South India. It was built by Rajaraja Chola. The temple is regarded as one of the existing 108 ancient Shiva temples of ancient Kerala. It also has a prominent place amongst the numerous Shiva temples in South India. It had the tallest Sikara amongst the temples of its time. The Rajarajeshwara temple has a top of about 90 tones. If any problem is encountered in the other temples of South India, devotees seek a solution in this temple, though a prasna, a traditional method of astrological decision making. The prasna is conducted on a pidha, a raised platform outside the temple. Legendarily, it was supposedly renovated by sage Parashurama long before the Kali Yuga commenced. Several centuries ago, it was renovated by the Musica Goladiri dynasty kings. This temple was rebuilt into its present form in the early 11th century. The quadrangular sanctum has a two-tiered pyramidal roof. In front of the sanctum is the Namaskara Mandapam, but the temple has no Kodimaram, flagstaff. Unlike others in Kerala, only Hindus are permitted to enter. According to the traditional system of visiting this temple, the devotee first worships Lord Krishna at the shrine of Vasudevapuram on the southern bank of the vast temple tank, known as the Ashramachara, where there is a beautiful idol of Krishna playing this flute. The sweet melody from Krishna's flute symbolizes the supreme spiritual harmony that prevails in the background of the universe of diversities, which one can experience by spiritually elevating oneself. Worship of Krishna before entering the great temple of Shiva symbolizes the essential unity of Lord Vishnu and Lord Shiva as two aspects of the same supreme being. There are other special features in the temple that highlight this unity. It is believed that there was an ashram of sage Agastya on the bank of this temple tank. The tank was reconstructed in the present stage. It is believed about 460 years ago by a devotee named Chittur. Then, proceeding towards Sri Rajarajeshwara temple, one worships at the shrine of Sri Bhutanantha, who is the chief lieutenant of Lord Shiva. Kumbhodhara is also known as Aravattapan. Sri Krishna and Sri Bhutananda are considered the accompanying deities of Lord Rajarajeshwara. The main gate is on the east before one enters the temple. One turns eastwards and offers praise to Lord Vaidyanta, an aspect of Lord Shiva worshipped as the Lord of Physicians, enshrined in temple about 6 km from Rajarajeshwara temple. An interesting fact about this temple: the Rajarajeshwara temple at Tanjavur had the tallest Sikara amongst the temples of its time. Constructing it was not easy because there were no cranes in those days, and the 90-ton strong for the top of the Sikara was too heavy to lift manually. So the architects built an inclined part to the top of the temple, placed the boulder on rollers and rolled it all the way to the top. The path started more than 4 km away so that it would not be too steep. This was dismantled after the temple was constructed, but the residents of the area remembered the experience of the construction of the temple for a long time. Even now, a village near the temple is called Charaphalam, the village of the incline. Thank you.